Good morning, ID 5010 students. Welcome to our second day of class. I love the post and the introduction so far. I think we are going to have a great term. I wanted to just mention a couple of things. First, you'll notice that there are a lot of resources in this class, and especially optional resources. I just want to make sure that you have access to as much as possible as you work on your project. And so most of the resources they're short, they're quick, they're just quick tools you can use. They don't take a lot of time. So don't let yourself feel overwhelmed when you see that. The second thing I want to mention is the project. It sounds like you guys have been thinking about what you want to do for your project. So really what you're doing is coming up with that design plan for a specific project. You're not going to build out a course or anything like that. You're really just getting that solid plan, because that's really the key to any class that's going to be designed, is having a really good plan up front is required in order for a really good class to be produced. Please contact me with any questions that you have. I am in Central Time, but I work a pretty long day, so I can accommodate your schedule. I encourage you to use Voxer. It's a great tool, and I'll post some information about that in the class. But it's helpful because you can see when I've read the message. And so if I get it and I can't answer your question right then, I can at least let you know when to expect to hear from me with a response. If you have trouble posting to our other forum this week, please let me know. It seems to be functioning okay, but I just want to make sure that if you're trying to post and you can't get in there, that you let me know that. And the last thing is, there are a lot of links in our class. And I love links because it makes sure that you have access to the most up-to-date version of a lot of things. However, as Sean has already discovered, these links change all the time and things get taken down and put up. And so even if I click on something right now and it's working, in 5 minutes, if you log in, it may not be working anymore. So I have checked everything twice, actually, and at this point, everything in the course is working. But if you come across something, please let me know so that I can get an updated link or a new resource for you. Thank you, and again, I look forward to a really fun term with you guys.